Hi guys, welcome to my channel, my lovely Aquarius. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Aquarius. I'll be picking few cards from each deck, guys, and I'll be giving angel guidance message at last. Let's see what is your daily energy for today. Six of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, Queen of Swords. With these cards, Aquarius, I feel for some of you all, your person is coming over to gift you or to meet you, or your friends, maybe someone is coming to meet you, and you are really happy that they are here. They are, what to say, spending their time with you and listening to you. Maybe you're discussing about few things and you're happy that they are there for you. uh, okay guys, that is the energy here. So you're meeting people. Maybe this is a new person coming into your life. You're meeting them for the first time, and they are gifting you. Maybe they were your friend in the beginning, and they have found this love with you, intimate connection with you, and they are taking it forward, guys. They may be proposing to you also. That may also be the energy here. And maybe for some of you all, this may be your friend coming over to help you, give you suggestions regarding some situation, and they may be helping you in that situation. That may also be the energy here, guys. Let me pick out three more cards to give us a better clarity. Aquarius. Okay. With these cards, I feel you are not entirely satisfied with the situation, guys. You feel something is missing. Whatever you see, the appearance may not be the entire truth. So you feel there may be somebody who's trying to use you, um, make use of your work, maybe in your professional life, just to achieve their ambitions. They are trying to use you, use your abilities, and make uh, and use it for their benefit. They may be trying to deceive you, or some of you all are really feeling charmed by this person. You really don't know whether it is true. Okay, the person you have met, maybe they are up to all your expectations, and you really do not believe whether it is true. That may also be the energy here, guys. For some of you all, you're just like I said, you're um, getting gifts from your friend or your person, and you're taking this relationship to the next level, guys. There is a good understanding and clarity in the situation, but that is the reason you don't trust this person, because you have this good understanding and clarity. You feel it is not true. That may also be the energy here, guys. So let us see the angel guidance message, what is coming up for you all, Aquarius. Let's see what the angels are guiding us with, guys. Step into light. An angel card. Love. This may be love, guys. Not all situations will remain the same forever. Okay, so you just need to give it time for this relationship to show its real color. Okay, so but with these cards, with the energy, I feel this relationship may be true. Okay, uh, how you're seeing, whatever you're seeing, it may be true. This love may be unconditional, guys. You have a very good bonding and understanding in this relationship. All you need to do is just be open to conversations, good communication. That way you will make this relationship work. Understand this relationship and make it work. That is the energy here, guys. So you just have to give it time for this understanding to come forth in this relationship and make it work, guys. That is the energy here, Aquarius, and that is a reading for you all today. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Aquarius.